So today we're going to talk about Industry 4.0 across the board, across the suites of markets, spaces. In manufacturing, Industry 4.0 is a buzzword. It really boils down to traceability. Each component that you're making having the ability to scan a barcode, scan a QR code, scan some specific serial number, to be able to look back, hey, 2 years ago this part was produced and it failed for X. Industry 4.0 is about data. Data is how we make our decisions, it's how we mitigate our risk. And when you're thinking about, hey, I'm looking at increasing the volume of products that I'm building, maybe I need to go to Europe, maybe I need to go to China. You want to make sure you're looking at contract manufacturers that are embracing Industry 4.0, that are talking about, hey, this is what we're doing to eliminate touching with my hands or my employees holding and touching these products where they could be damaged. We want to talk about the full traceability of the whole during the time that part was being manufactured. When you're looking at Industry 4.0, full traceability, the data analytics behind it, companies want the data so they can make better decisions and minimize their risk. In such where, or as such, or for instance, in a manufacturing process, if there's 20 steps in that process, when you have full traceability and there's a barcode placed on that component as it's going through its different manufacturing processes, we can actually go back and look and say, okay, this is how long it stayed in process number 12 through 15. It stopped here, there was a potential issue here, it had to go through inspection over here, but it still passed. We can go back and scan that 2 years later and have that data and understand and be able to find similarities, find links that we can say, okay, here, this is not an anomaly, it's becoming a problem and we got to address it, because now we're looking at, we could have 5 parts per million defect because of this one issue that has come up through the data, through the traceability of the product, from start to finish.